subscribe and share. Please turn off the ad block, subscribe, and share. Links will be below for anyone wanting to support this channel.
Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViewsNelp, and today I am doing another Minecraft video. I was asked to do a couple more Minecraft videos, and one of them that was requested was how to make a basic train station type of thing. Now, I was looking into this and there's a few ways to do this, obviously. One of them is to do it like this, where you have carts that keep coming if you put them on a track. Another is to have a dispenser, one that feeds you the actual carts and you have to put them on the track. Another that has the carts that just stack up and they'll shoot out. I prefer to have one, especially with some of the stuff that I do on here. I prefer to have the one actually go out and have it continuously go, because we're talking about a large area that could glitch potentially. So with this in mind, I prefer to use something a little bit more reliable. Now, as far as this, the tracks itself, this is a multi-track, multi-direction. And the one thing to keep in mind is how this is set up is it won't send a cart to every single location. It will only send a cart to locations that is open. So how I have this is basically, say this is location 1, 2, and 3. How this works is it follows the tracks and goes from here, and all these secondary tracks go around and come back. So using this 2 switches, I can tell it to go 3 different locations. If I want to add more, then I can use more levers. But as you see here, basically what happens, let's throw one down. And as you see here, what will happen is it'll go to location 2. If we do that, if we have that off, it'll go to location 1. And if we have both of them on, it'll go to location 3. Now, as far as these, you may have noticed them. I've been experimenting with them a little bit, and basically in tight corners where you don't have a lot of room for pretty much any torches or anything, or say for example you don't have the materials, what you can do is use the buttons right next to the power tracks, and basically the buttons power up the tracks just long enough to get it across. But one thing to keep in mind, if you do that, it only powers up one track, unless if you got like a series of these carts, which you will run into a problem. But for the most part, you can get it to power up one track and one track only. It does slow it down quite a bit, so if you're trying to adjust your speed, it might be worth the while. But if you really have somewhere where you need to actually get more speed going up or do whatever, then you need to use the old-fashioned. But anyways, that's pretty much about it. Now, as far as this area, there's 1 or 2 ways to do this with the continuous, or really any others. The two ways you can do it is you can block it off where you have to jump before you hit to this point. So say for example, if I was riding the track, I'd have to jump before I get to there. In other words, I'll run into problems, obviously. Or you can just leave it open. I'm thinking about just leaving mine open, because since it's continuous, if I mess up, I can just catch another one or walk back. But anyways, as far as things goes, hopefully this has answered some questions, and hopefully this has helped you out in your experience. If you have any better solutions, or maybe a different look, or if you use this particular thing, feel free to leave a link to your video, and that way people can see it and I can check it out and comment on it. But anyways, as far as things goes, my name's Craig Bennett. I'm the founder and owner of TechViewSnope. Leave likes, subscribe, shares, especially shares, and comment questions and all that stuff. You know where to get that. Hope you have a great day.